If you had the choice between $1 million cash and your option of getting a magic penny that doubled in value every day for 30 days, would you know to pick the right one? Let's find out. For one, you'd have a penny. The next day, you'd have 2 pennies. The next day, you would have 4 pennies. Day 11, we have $10.24. Day 12, $20.48. Number 16, $327.68. Day 17, $655.36. Number 21, $10,485.76. Day number 24, you have $83,886.08. Day number 27, we have $671,088.64. And on day 30, we have $5.368 million and 12 cents.